Lead-off single for the Gators here in the home seventh. And there's strike one. Todd Brown, nothing for 3 today. 2 fly outs and a ground out. No balls, 1 strike. Swing and a miss from the sidewinder Jay Tessmer. He's the 3rd Miami pitcher of the day. Kenny Henderson started and went 4 2/3 innings. Right now he stands to be the losing pitcher. The Gators lead 5-0. That's outside. It's been a good start for Joe Arnold this year. The Gators coming in today 7-1. There's a bouncing ball. Beautiful stop by Buxbaum at first base.